Today we are at Punjabi Rasoi, which has been one of the most famous places in our city for traditional North Indian and Punjabi food. Their special items like Adrak Panje, Murgh Lasuni Kebab, Corn Palak are absolute crowd favorites. So today we'll be trying out some of their signature dishes and see how our experience goes. So we are right now settled inside Adrak ke Panje, settled inside Punjabi Rasoi, and we're going to be starting off with the popular Adrak ke Panje. We're trying out popular Punjabi cuisine in Calcutta. We have Bhaiya over here, and there is Adrak ke Panje. Bhaiya, kunta neve? Bolo kuch kunta ache. I think I'll take this one. Let's look at the size. The meat is falling off. That's how succulent this is. Let me just break this. It is soft as cotton. That's how soft this is. The meat is falling off. Perfect flavoring. This is too good. Up we have another signature item over here. Murgh Lasuni Kebab. Bhaiya, start karo jak. Let's look at the size of this. Again, it's falling off. Ready? This is Punjabi North Indian food at its best. Hiwala. Next up, we have a fish starter. This is what?
Ajwaini fish tikka.
Ajwaini fish tikka. Again, another of my regular items over here. Bhaiya, now. Tum soft. He eats like food spa. Amazing. This is the best starter as of now today. It is amazing. Kolkata Betki, the marination goes inside. It is very fresh. As Raju mentions behind camera that every procurement, every morning is done by him personally. Be it the chicken, be it the fish, be it the mutton. And it shows over here, and that is why they've received so many umpteen awards every year. Next up, we have half a portion of Shami Kebab. It's steamed. It's crisp outside, pretty moist inside, not a very dry preparation as you would have normally expected from them. So this is a pretty good one again. Aman, Shubir, starters experience कैसा है तुम लोगों का?
The Adrak ke Panje was really nice, and I love the fish kebab. The fish kebab was amazing.
What about you, Shubir?
স্টার্টারগুলো খুবই ভালো ছিল ফিশের কাবাবটা ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড
We'll be trying out some of the signature main courses over here.
Change color is Kabuli Naan, Mutton Saag, and dal makhani.
Thank you. Start with the dal makhani, a very rich dal makhani. Ek chamuch na do chamuch?
Chamuch. Always more. Less is not good.
Less is more. Is the dialogue? Bhaiya ekta dialogue di lo kintu false khega lo. Acha, etar pore. Let's try cheese kali mirch naan. Cheese kali mirch kulcha. Very subtle taste of cheese as well as the kali mirch. Pretty soft. Next up, this is the Kabuli naan. It has a lot of peanut as well as cashew nuts. Two types of nuts this has. This one.
Garlic naan, tandoori paratha, atta wala tandoori paratha.
Tandoori paratha made of atta over here. As well as a garlic naan. Garlic naan is a must whenever you try any Punjabi item. We're going to be having these with some Saag mutton. আলাদা করে শাক দেবো?
খাই
We'll be trying out this. I'm not a fan of tandoori parathas, but I hear that Punjabi Rasoi makes amazing ones. So I'll just try a little bit with this super succulent mutton piece. This is delicious. Now, my favorite, garlic naan. Of late, I've acquired a different kind of a fascination for garlic naans. Ever since I've dined in at Peter Cat, I love their garlic naans.
खाना कहाँ है?
मालूम नहीं मैं
Okay, we have our final main courses. Kadai paneer.
Tikka butter masala. Please.
Let me try the rice with the paneer first. Very good. Final. I've ordered a chicken tikka, which is again one of my favorite items over here. I normally have this with roti, but this time around we're trying out with the rice. It's pretty good. भैया ओवरऑल কেমন এক্সপেরিয়েন্স আজকে?
ভালো। আমি তো মাটন শাকে ওই কি বলে শাকটা মাছিয়ে দিয়ে পোলার সাথে খাচ্ছি। আমার এত শাকটা মাটনটা ভালো লেগেছে। আর এটা খুব ভালো, পালক পনির খুব সফট, পালক পনির সরি যেমন শাহী পনির খুব সফট। আর এটা এখন খাইনি, খাবো।
স্টার্টার্স কেমন লেগেছে?
চাল খুব ভালো লেগেছে, হালকা ঠান্ডা ছিল তো খুব ভালো ছিল।
अमन ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है तुम्हारा?
ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था।
कनाडा से कब वापस आए तुम?
आज सुबह
बोलो।
साग मटन बहुत अच्छा था मेन कोर्स में, और स्टार्टर्स में एज आई सेड द फिश एंड द अदरक के पंजे वाज रियली नाइस, और मेन कोर्स में आई एम लाइकिंग द पीस पुलाव एंड द चिकन टिक्का बटर मसाला। ओवरऑल इट इज वेरी नाइस।
Shubir, কেমন লাগলো? We are starting a new series, regional food. So we are starting off with Punjabi cuisine. How has your experience been?
এই পাঞ্জাবি রেস্টুরেন্টে আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম এলাম, একদম অ্যাক্রোপলিসের পাশেই। তো এখানে খাবারগুলো প্রত্যেকটা খুব ভালো। স্টার্টার্সে যে কটা আইটেম ট্রাই করলাম, আদ্রাক কে পাঞ্জে ফিশের আইটেমটা খুব ভালো ছিল। এখানে নানসগুলো অনেকগুলো অপশন দিয়েছে। পিনাটসওয়ালা যে নানটা ছিল ওটা খুবই টেস্টি ছিল, খুবই ভালো। আর এখন এই যে পনিরটা দিয়েছে এখানে, পনিরটা ইজ ভেরি টেস্টি। ওভারঅল ভেরি নাইস এক্সপিরিয়েন্স। যারা পাঞ্জাবি খাবার পছন্দ করো প্লিজ এখানে আসো আর একবার খেয়ে দেখো, ইটস ভেরি গুড।
Final items, we have the desserts over here.
गाजर का हलवा।
Great. भैया very creamy, not too sweet, good texture. But what I'm most excited about, Gajar ka halwa. It's my favorite dessert, especially available over here during winter. Once again, not overly sweet. It's pretty good. Taste good. A lot of dry fruits also. Good stuff. That was our experience at Punjabi Rasoi. It is always a pleasure coming here, dining in. It's a delight. We did not try out too many of the Punjabi items because we knew what the signatures were and we heard it from the horses. Now the owners himself ordered the stuff which are really popular over here, and we knew why they were, because they are all amazing. We've tried out all the signature items over here, I guess. I think towards the end, ektu beshi khawa hoyega chilo because there were too many naans and too many rotis, etc. But we had a wonderful time. Starters hai adrak ke panje, lasuni tangdi, we all know about it, but my personal favorite always is the fish because I think they make some beautiful, delicious, very sweet fish. And in main course, that saag mutton was amazing. So if you want to try out little items, these two items are an absolute must. Dessert say firni, fine, you get a lot of good firni a lot of other places. I think if it's season time, if you're coming now, you should definitely try out the Gajar ka halwa. During the pandemic, a lot of you are not moving out, so you can order all of these items. It's going to be available at home. Maybe the naans will not taste as good, so you can stick to rice if you're ordering at home. But if you are planning to come out, you can try out any of the items which you try because all of them are wonderful. So this is the first episode of the regional series which has been suggested to us by one of our subscribers, Shubir, not this one, someone else. We are planning out different places very soon, different regions of India. So you can stay tuned for that. If you did like this video, do share with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up. Until next time, the foods were wrapping up from Kasba. Cheers.
started in the year 2008. That's just with a takeaway counter. Initially, there were hardly any customer out here. Later on, we started the restaurant. That was in the year 2009. Slowly, we added this first floor. That is 2014. We started the first floor also. Now we have started few items for the winters, like sarson saag, began bharta. At times we make rajma also. Gajar ka halwa. I mean, everything has changed here, but the only thing which has remained the same, that is the food quality and the consistency.
I can vouch for that because I am myself a regular at your place for the last 5 years. Great. Finally, the location and the timings currently in 2022?
That is as per the government guidance, we are maintaining that. Till 9 or 9:30 we are open.
Okay. And where is it located exactly?
This is, you can say, it's 196 Rajdanga, Chakraborty Pada. It's behind, you can say, Acropolis Mall.
All right. It's always a pleasure dining over here as well as having a conversation with you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Cheers.
Thank you.